In this video, I mainly talk about the 613 brown bundle, how we make kits to the clip extension, and also the super full 613 bundle, the celebrity hair brown bundle that customers are very picky but can buy this one. Let me show you. This is the celebrated 613 brown bundle. As you can see the label here, 16 inch. Let me measure the length for you. This one, 16 inch, it comes to here. It's super full at the end and still true to length and longer, 1 inch longer. This 16 inch, I'm talking about this 16 inch. You see how full it is at the end. So when you cut it here, hey, it's very full. Let me shake the hair to show you. This, like this. I pick another bundle. So it's like this. Another bundle like this. As you can see, it's very full, super full for this 613 bundle. But I will not tell you it's all straight, that all strands of hair are the same length throughout the bundle. I would not say that because of course every bundle we sell there are more or less short hair throughout the bundle. As you can see, let me shake the bundle. If you like this full and the celebrity hair price you can accept, then you can buy this one. Although there are minimum short hair at top here, but this is not the point. This is not an issue. The point is the fullness, the thickness at the end, like this. Our customers, all our customers, they don't have any problem for this minimum short hair at top. They just like this here. And we use the bundle to make the clip extension. Let me show you how we make the clip extension. This one. This, the clipping extension we make. This the artwork. Let me show you. We fold two pieces together and solve the clip on here. Here's two pieces, as you can see. This one also. So every pack of clip extension includes 6 and 7. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces for one pack of extension. And let me show you the back side. This. Can you see the density here? The density. And let me show you another piece. This one. See this density. Another piece. This is the biggest part. This one. So there are total 7 pieces for one pack of clip extension. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are the other 3 pieces? Yes, it's here. Here are the other 3 pieces. Let me show you. I already clipped on this lace wig. Can you see? Let me take it out. Here. One piece. And another piece. Let me take it out. here, one piece, and the seventh piece, let me, yeah, here. You see, we just clip on the lace wig. It feels like this to blend the hair. So let me take it out. This is very easy to wear, very easy to take off. Here, this is another piece. So it's total 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7 pieces for 1 pack of clip extension. This one. So it's very nice. And this is the one I'm going to introduce. Of course, is the customized luxury full density lace frontal wig. This one, as you can see. This one. Okay, I will introduce more hair in the next video. See you.